In this Mxspeech review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Mxspeech. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Mxspeech. Mxspeech is a software for converting text to speech. This is what you should see once you've first created your account or even signing in. So this is the main dashboard page or the main page of the software, and I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So straight off the bat, up in the top left hand corner is the Mxspeech logo. Now if you actually click on that, it should take you to the main page, and it is clickable, which is a cool feature within this software. Right below that on the left hand side we have all of the main sections. In this main sections is the dashboard, create audio, document to speech, folders, voices, background audio, settings and support. Now in this main section we have your account up in the top right hand corner, and in the very right we have a notifications bell for any notifications. Now this is the main section where everything will be going on. You've got your account settings, billing, and then other stuff like that, like the notifications and messages. And then right here you've got your account analytics, where it says how many characters you've used, characters used in a preview, audio generated, and what plan you're on. So onto the left hand side, past the dashboard area, we are going to move on to the create audio, the first feature of this software. So once you've actually clicked onto the create audio section, it should land you on this section. So it says audio files, and you can actually click create audio up in the top right hand corner, and we're going to click that. Once you've clicked it, it should start loading up this new page, and it should take a few seconds to load, and then you can go ahead and actually start creating your audio. Up here in the top left hand corner we can enter a title. Let's just put review audio, and then to the right of that you can actually click a folder if you want to go ahead and add a folder. So to go ahead and actually start creating your audio, you want to go ahead and actually click type here. Before you do that, if you want to, you can go through any of these settings right above it. We have a pronunciations library, pause settings, the volume, speed and pitch. If you wanted to change any of these, you can go ahead and just click on them and adjust the little bar right there, and you can change any of these. So if you wanted to make it faster, we'd just put it up, or if you wanted to make it slower, we'd put it down. Same with the pitch and the volume. So you can also change the voice style if you actually have it, but we don't have it right now. So we're going to go ahead and actually start typing our text to speech. So you can go ahead and actually type in on the type here section whatever you want. So I'm going to type in welcome to this review, like that. And if you actually highlight it like that, you can actually see it comes up with a preview, tune, emphasis, say as, or even add a pause. So that's a pretty good feature for this software, since you can go ahead and actually customize how it says your sentence. So we're just going to go ahead and stick with welcome to this review, and then if you want to go ahead and play it or preview it, you just click preview.
This review.
And just like that you can hear it says welcome to this review, which is what we actually wrote. So the AI integration right there is very well done. Again, you can change the tune or the emphasis if you want to, but we're not going to do that now. If you also want to play it, you can play it just right here, and then to the left of that you can reorder the section, add a new block, or even just click these three little dots and click download, change voice, or even clone. So that's pretty much it for the baseline of the software. You can actually just write more by just carrying on typing. Let's say, hope you are enjoying the video. And again, you can go ahead and just preview all of this. So let's go ahead and preview it.
View. Hope you are enjoying the video.
And there you go. The AI is well integrated. It says what we wrote. And that's pretty much it for the text to speech section. So now if we want to go ahead and save it or even export it, we go ahead and click create audio, and once you click that it should pretty much save it. And then if you want to just download it, you can go ahead and just download it right there by clicking these three dots and clicking download. So now we're going to go back onto the left hand side and go onto the document to speech. Just before we move on to the document to speech section, back on this audio file section, you can also go ahead and actually create a folder or even move to a folder once you have saved your records. So now onto the document to speech section, same thing with that, you can move to folder or create a folder, but we're going to go ahead and hop straight into it and just see the features of the document to speech. So if we want to go ahead and actually start doing that, we go ahead and go up to the top right hand corner and click create document to speech. It should take a few seconds to load, so once that's loaded, it should open up this page where you upload your file and actually enter your title and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and actually drag and drop a file. I'm going to go ahead and find a file that it can read, and then we're going to enter a title, folder, and then just start typing. So I've just went ahead and actually uploaded a fake CV, just a random document I have for this review, and then we're going to go ahead and see that it actually has inputted it to the talk section. So again, it just pretty much inputs what you've imported, and it should start saying it once you actually want it to say. So I've went ahead and actually removed some of it because we only have 1,000 words. So you can go ahead and actually preview it, tune it, emphasize it, say it as, or even add a pause, just like the create audio section. So once you've actually imported your document and you're happy with what you want the software to say or the AI to say, you can go ahead and click convert to speech. And once you've converted it to speech, it should then say it. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly preview it because it takes a while to convert it to speech. So once you click preview,
Phone. Email address. I'm a student studying aerospace engineering at the University of Manchester. I have work experience in the retail, catering, and commercial transport industry. I am honest, reliable and my past roles have required good timekeeping and a positive attitude in high pressure environments. My aim is to get relevant internship experience whilst I am at university so I can graduate with a greater understanding of the engineering industry and what companies look for in engineering graduates. Diploma in HGV Vehicle Maintenance and Repair. College, 2014 to 2015, Level 3 Access to HE. Engineering Science, 9 distinctions, 6 merits.
and there you go, it just says all of it. So it took a while, but you pretty much get the idea of how the software works and how well the AI is integrated to the software. So it read it all pretty well. There's a few areas in there that weren't well integrated and it did mispronounce some things. But again, you can go ahead and just highlight it and change it, which is a really great feature that not a lot of these type of softwares have. So now moving back onto the left hand side, we can go onto the folders section. Now this is just an area where you can add your folders to actually start saving your documents. We haven't saved the last two, but if we wanted to, we'd just go onto this and click add folder and then enter a folder name. I went ahead and just titled it reviews, and then you just click save and have a folder as easy as that. You can download it, edit it, or even delete it right there, and it's pretty easy to just pretty much manage the folders. Back onto the left hand side we have the voices section, and once you click on that you can go ahead and actually go through all the voices that you want from a variety of sections. So you can listen to them and hear how they sound. Just like that, and have different languages. Right here you can change the languages, gender filter, and a voice type filter. So there's tons of different voices to choose from, and you can go ahead, take your time, and find which voice you like best. Back to the left hand side we can go onto the background audio section, and what this section is you can actually add a background audio. So if you go onto this and click create background audio, you can title your audio, select the audio, choose a background audio from your computer files, and then just change the volume and click save audio. Finally, we have the settings and support section, which we don't really need to go over, but if you needed any support for the software, that is where you would create a ticket. And there you go, that is it for the Mxspeech software. A few features I personally liked is how well the AI is integrated and how well some of the features actually work. Personally, I really like the feature how you can just highlight some areas and change how the AI actually says it, or if you want any pauses or changing the tone of voice. I love how you can actually go ahead and edit your text just like that and how the AI says it. So overall I think it's a really great software. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. There's not many of these softwares out there that have a good amount of features, and this software definitely does have a good amount of features. So I would recommend this to any professionals out there looking to actually have one of these softwares, since again you can go ahead and edit the AI and how it actually says the speech. Would I use this myself? Yes, I definitely would. I would definitely use this myself if I was looking for a software like this. Overall, again, I think it's a really great software with really great features, and the AI is really well integrated. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.